here on the top of Millenia Hotel, Tulsi Mehta. Yeah.
That's the Ritz-Carlton Hotel, the Mandarin Oriental. Whoa.
Oh, damo di kanu. Damo gwapo. Nakaupa. Char. Oh, here. Damo, nakauba. Si Char lang. Oh! Yep, this is so nice. Here is very nice. Oh, may durian dire, oh. And over there is
What used to be the stand, the demolished it. It's going to be new. They used to have the National Parade there.
wow, it's so beautiful. Diri mo gali makita ang Durian Place, Esplanade. This is the building. I don't know what kind of. And you can see the barco over there. And then the Marina Bay sign there. But there, right? Where's the lion? Where? Oh?
Blocked by that concrete building.
Ah, okay. That's the lion's
Between
over
the,
there.
you see the GPO, where we were, Fullerton Hotel, that one, old
Yeah.
building,
Yep.
and then with the glass, the blind line is there.
Oh, okay. You see, this they are working over there with the yeah, that is the I don't know. What is the ring over there? What is it?
That's the Singapore flyer
Yeah, the flyover.
at Ritz-Carlton Hotel.
Let's go with the we are here Mandarin Oriental. See, it's beautiful over here. Diri mo kayo makita ang tawag nga view nga nami. Diri mo ang makita mo dito ang Marina Bay Sand nga do flower bloom. Flower something? What you call that?
Yeah, the
Flower?
Flowers by the Bay.
Ah,
Gardens by the Bay.
Gardens by the Bay.
That's the Heavens Bridge.
And then there is Marina Bay. Marina Bay. And did you know that I went there before? Char. I went there to the like a ship, the barko nga na nagkadto ko da before. Nag-swimming kami, char. Nag-swimming kami da sa barko nga na dao. And then I went there with it.